Michelle Singletary, personal finance columnist for the Washington Post, coming to you for some tips for 2022 as you file your tax return. So look, y'all, it's going to be a crazy tax season. There is so much going on based on what people got last year, most of it because of the pandemic. So some of you might have gotten the advanced child tax credit payments from July to December or sometime during the period last year, the last half of 2021. And so that means you must file your 2021 return this year to get the second part of that money. And so in the mail, you're probably going to get some letters, or at least a letter from the IRS telling you how much you got. Please look for that letter because you're going to need it when you file your return. And perhaps you didn't get that last stimulus payment. You can file to get that for your 2021 tax return. And this year it's gonna be crazy because lots of people have questions about different things and it's gonna be very difficult to reach the IRS. So it's very important that you file early and file electronically. Most of you probably do already, but it's even more important this year because the IRS has such a backlog. So if you file a paper return, you're gonna be at the back of the line. So file electronically, file early, and also make sure that you do it by direct deposit. If you're getting a refund, have them send it to your bank account so that you can get that money. If you do, the IRS says that hopefully this year that those payments will go out in about 21 days, 3 weeks. If you're getting the child tax credit or the earned income tax credit, you won't really be able to file until late February. And that's by law. There's nothing funky going on. It's just that there's a lot of fraud in this area. And so the IRS takes a little bit more time to process those returns. So just know there's nothing wrong going on. If you see a little, icon or when you file electronically, it says, hey, it's not going to be processed till February. That's normal. That always happens during the tax season. So don't worry about that. But it doesn't mean that you can't go already and try to file your returns. Go ahead and get that information in. Go ahead and meet with the tax professionals. And when it's time for you to get that in, if you're getting those 2 credits, it'll just go through and everything will be okay. So this year, key thing, file early, file electronically. Those are my tax tips for 2022. But listen, you can ask me any kind of personal finance question by calling 1-855-ASK-POST or 1-855-275-7678.